run into who is doing his evening walk. Who is that little snorter? Who is that snorter? Who is that? Could that be Trig? Could that be Trig, aka Astro? Triggeroo! Triggeroo! This is the Triggy, and guys, everything happens for a reason, but this is the little guy who needs basically a knee replacement surgery, and all our Trig, Astro. And this is the little, oh, always interested, always look at the, Trig, look at me. Look at me, to say thank you. Trig, you need to say, Triggy, you need to say thank you to all the people who worked so hard for you this weekend. Triggy, he's too busy like, Paul is saying the neighborhood. This is his neighborhood and he is the sheriff. Trig, Astro. His name is Astro. He'll always be Trig for me. Astro, come here, Baba. You want to go on a walk, don't you? You just want to go on a walk. Well, here he is.